one by one. Carbon. So how many carbon do I have here? 2. That is 2A. Do I have any carbon here again? No. If I have
No.
plus. But since I know our pieces equals to. Now come to this side. Do I have carbon?
No.
No. Because this is just like I see. Do I have carbon here?
Yes.
That is 1.
One
That
carbon.
is D, just 1D. So it does a D. Now let's go to the hydrogen.
Okay.
Do I have any hydrogen? How many?
6.
That is 6A.
A.
Do I have any hydrogen here?
No.
That is equals to. How many hydrogen do I have here? 2.
2.
That is
2C.
Plus. That, no, I don't have any hydrogen again. So let's go to the last one. That is oxygen. Now, do I have any oxygen here?
No.
Do I have oxygen here?
Yes.
How many oxygen?
2B.
That is 2B. Equals to. Do I have any oxygen here?
No. Yes.
Yes. But that is just 1. That is 1C. So just write C plus. Do I have oxygen here?
Yes.
Plus 2. That is 2D. So then I can now call this one equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Now, say D is standing alone here. That means D is 1. Are you getting it? Let's say our D is 1. Now, we can get our A by substituting 1 here. 2A equals to 1. Divide both by 2. Over 2 over 2. A equals to 1. So our A equals to 1 over 2. Now that we have gotten that, we've gotten A and D. Let's get C from here. C from here. 6 into bracket. What's our A? Our
1 over 2.
Equals to 2C. 2 here 1, 2 here 3. 3 times 1, 3. Equals to 2C. I'll divide those by 2 because I'm looking for C. C equals to 3 all over 2. Our C equals to 3 all over 2. Now, what am I looking for now? I'm looking for B. B, yeah, B exists here. That is 2B equals to C plus 2D. Now, 2B equals to, what's C? Our C is 3 all over 2 plus 2. What's our D? Our D is 1. So that means 2B equals 3 all over 2 plus 2 times 1, 2 all over 1 over 1. So the LCM here is 2. So 2 into 1, 1 times 3, 3, plus 2 in 1, 2 times 2, 4, equals to 2B all over 1. That is 2B all over 1 equals to 7 all over 2. So we now cross multiply. We cross multiply, that is 4B equals to 7. That we divide those out by 4, all over 4. B equals to 7 all over 4. B equals to 7 all over 4. I believe that simple equation is just simple, is clear to us. Just say D equals to 1, and when you substitute 1 here, say 2 equals to 1, we get our A as 1 all of 2. Since we've known our H to be 1 all of 2, you substitute it here. That is 6 into bracket 1 all over 2. That is 3 equals to C. Divide this by 2. That is C equals 3 all over 2. And now that you have gotten your C, you substitute it here. And you've gotten your D, that's 1, to get your B. And we get our B to be 7 all over 4. Now let's now balance this equation since we've gotten all our coefficients. Now that I've got all our coefficients, our A is 1 all over 2, 18, plus our B is
7 over 4.
7 all over 4, oxygen gas. Our C is 3 all over 2, and our D is 7 all over 4.
Why do you put C there?
Our D, rather. All our D, 1. So there's no need of putting 1. Sure you guys. Now, what is now the LCM of 242? That is 4. So our C is 3 all over 2. And our B is 7 all over 4. Our A is 1 over 2. So we will now say, now this is what, C is supposed not to be here again. since we have substituted it. Now, what we now do is that we want to avoid all the denominators here. So by using the LCM, and LCM is 4. So I'll use that 4 to multiply through. So as to eradicate the denominators. I'll say 4 1 all over 2 C₂H₆ plus 4 7 all over 4 over 2 to give 4 into 3 all over 2. H₂O plus 4, that is C₂. So 2A1, 2A2, that is 2C₂H₆ plus 4 times 4, 7O2 to give 2A1, 2A2 times 3, 6, 6H₂O plus 4CO₂. Now let's see whether the equation is balanced. How many carbon? 4. 2 times 2, that's 4. In the reactant side. Let's check the product side. How many carbon? 4. This 2 is not meant for this carbon. That was 4. Carbon is balanced. Check the hydrogen. 2 times 6. That is 12. The this 2 is working for them. Hydrogen is 12. Let's check the product side. 6 times 2, 12. Hydrogen is balanced. Let's check the oxygen. Oxygen is 7 times 2, 14. Let's check the product side. Oxygen there is 6. And 4 times 2, 8. 8 plus 6, that's 14. So it is balanced. So thank you. In the next videos, please subscribe so that you can keep enjoying our videos. In the next videos of chemistry, especially for those that want to write WAEC, I'm going to teach you all the calculations that you can see under volumetric analysis. So all of them, all together, and probably 3 or 4 will come out. Please stay on this channel. Thank you.